Friends, I welcome you all to my first video presentation on this interesting subject of future financial independence. I shall be subsequently also talking on financial planning and investments. Friends, we all work during the earning years of our lives. We maintain our families. We make a monthly budgeted expenditure to attain an affordable standard of living. We keep aside our maximum savings for a rainy day and also invest a good portion of it for our future security, for our future need, so to speak, for our need when we retire from active earning years, that is, for our future financial independence. And that is the subject of our discussion today. Friends, it will be in order if I introduce myself first. I am Captain Vivek Jain, a retired Merchant Navy officer. Having sailed for about 20 years across high seas, out of which I have commanded Merchant Navy vessels for 7 years as a captain of ships of Shipping Corporation of India and a European company. And I knew that someday I have to come back ashore and then retire for the rest of my life. And that understanding created the need of future financial independence. And that was constantly on my mind. That thought made me savings oriented, and I continually retained my maximum savings for future family usage. However, during early sailing years, I also kept thinking of a reasonably secure means of investment of my accumulated savings, savings which should appreciate and provide adequate returns to meet the day-to-day family expenses. But there was something that was causing a concern. That something was none other than inflation. Yes, inflation. I shall be showing my presentation to you here. As I said, inflation, which is a kind of a monster that eats away the purchasing power of money over the years. And I'll give you some examples here. Let's consider gold price, which was way back in 1977, about 500 rupees for 10 grams. Today in 2020, it is around 50,000 rupees for 10 grams. 100 times in 43 years. And if we calculate the inflation, it's about 11% per annum compounded. If we consider petrol price, which was in 1988 around 8 rupees a liter, today in 2020, it is 80 rupees a liter, 10 times more expensive. This works out to an inflation of about 7.5% per annum compounded. When we consider the wheat and rice price in 1995, it was around 10 rupees a kilo. Today in 2020, it is about 30 to 40 rupees a kilo. That in terms of inflation comes to around 6% per annum compounded. In real estate, we can consider 1,000 square feet residential flat in major cities, including Mumbai, way back in 1980. And you will not believe it was approximately 2 lakh of rupees only. And today in 2020, the price would be more than 60 lakhs. Of course, in Mumbai, it would be far more costly than that. Inflation works out to around 9% per annum compounded. Friends, this inflation, which is a monster, we have to beat it. And how do we beat this inflation? By wise investment in a good and reliable. So we come back to what kind of an avenue is there which will probably save us from this investment. There are various kind of investments available to us in the investment avenues that we will be discussing in the coming videos. We will discuss almost the avenues which are available to us, all of them in our country, and which of them are actually beating inflation, which of them are not beating inflation, which are going probably in line with inflation. All that we have to learn, we have to understand, and it is only then that we will be able to decide what investment is good for us. Actually, it is an individual perception, individual choice, but I shall highlight many of them in my next episode. That, friends, will be my honest and sincere attempt. I don't say that I am an economic expert, but yes, since my early earning years, I had an enormous passion which I cultivated probably with necessity, learned a lot about savings, about inflation, investments, insurances, financial planning through various medium, studying some books, seeing the media, reading newspapers, and of course gathered experiences in my life. And that I would like to share with you so that we can understand this particular aspect much better. Friends, finally, I would like to say in this first video, if my conveyance of this accumulated knowledge with experience gathered over past more than 40 years benefits any section of our brothers and sisters, I shall indeed feel honored, privileged, and satisfied. Friends, if you agree with my candid, heartfelt intentions and have liked this introductory message, please do subscribe to my channel, which is named as Investment Vivek, and mark like to this episode. Please also do post your queries and views in the comment section. I will try and reply to all of them. Thank you and see you again in my next discussion.